There's a moment, just before 3 a.m., that every Mount Kinabalu climber experiences. It's a moment of pure silent reckoning. You're standing in the biting alpine cold at Kinabalu Base Camp, 3,272 meters above the sea, surrounded by the inky blackness of a world yet to wake. Below you, a blanket of clouds obscures the sleeping earth. Above, the granite monolith of the summit waits, a dark promise against a tapestry of impossible stars. This is where the adventure truly begins. Mount Kinabalu is more than a mountain. It is the sacred heart of Borneo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for many, a pilgrimage. Rising 4,095 meters, 13,435 feet into the sky, it is Southeast Asia's highest peak, a jagged crown of rock that has captivated explorers, scientists, and spiritual seekers for centuries. The two-day trek to its summit, Lowe's Peak, is not merely a physical challenge. It is a journey through one of the most biologically significant places on the planet. The expedition starts not with a grueling ascent, but with a gentle immersion into the wonders of Kinabalu Park. This sprawling sanctuary is a world unto itself, a living museum of biodiversity. As you begin your trek from Timpahan Gate, you are immediately enveloped by a lush montane rainforest. Ancient trees drip with moss, orchids bloom in a riot of color, and the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the hum of unseen life. This is a botanist's paradise, home to over 5,000 plant species, including the elusive rafflesia, the world's largest flower, and hundreds of unique pitcher plants that lure insects to their doom. Day one of the Mount Kinabalu climb is a test of endurance. The trail is a relentless staircase of wood and stone, winding its way up through ever-changing ecological zones. You leave the towering rainforest behind for the gnarled, fairy tale-like cloud forest, where bonsai-shaped trees are draped in ghostly lichens. Every rest stop or pondock offers a moment to catch your breath and witness the breathtaking panorama unfolding below. The journey is a vertical transect of life, from the tropical lowlands to the subalpine meadows, a classroom in ecology taught by the mountain itself. After 5 to 6 hours of steady climbing, you arrive at Kinabalu Base Camp. This cluster of lodges clinging to the mountainside feels like a village above the clouds. Here, climbers from around the globe share stories over hot meals, their faces a mixture of exhaustion and giddy anticipation. As the sun sets, it paints the sky in fiery strokes of orange and purple, illuminating the granite spires above. The temperature plummets, and an early night is essential, for the true test is only hours away. The 2 a.m. wake-up call is jarring. Dressed in layers with headlamps cutting through the darkness, you join a silent procession of lights snaking up the mountain. The wooden stairs soon give way to the raw, barren granite slab of the summit plateau. This is where the mountain demands respect. The air thins, each breath becomes a conscious effort, and you rely on guide ropes fixed to the rock to haul yourself upwards. It is a humbling, primal experience. Just you, the rock, and the vast, starry expanse. You pass the Sayat checkpoint, the highest in Malaysia, a final confirmation that you are entering a different world. The final push to Lowe's Peak is a scramble over rock and boulder, fueled by adrenaline and the first faint glow of dawn on the horizon. And then, you are there, standing on the summit of Borneo. The reward for your Herculean effort is a sunrise that will be seared into your memory forever. As the sun crests the horizon, it casts a colossal, pyramid-shaped shadow of the mountain onto the clouds below. The jagged peaks of the summit plateau, St. John's Peak, Ugly Sister Peak, Donkey's Ears, are set ablaze in golden light. You are floating on a sea of clouds, a witness to the birth of a new day from the roof of Southeast Asia. The exhaustion vanishes, replaced by a profound sense of awe and accomplishment. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated magic. The journey down is a long, knee-jarring affair, but your perspective is forever changed. You see the path you conquered with new eyes, a renewed appreciation for the diverse beauty of Kinabalu Park. This trek is a quintessential part of any Borneo trekking adventure. a standout among Sabah attractions, and a powerful reminder of what we are capable of. Climbing Mount Kinabalu is not just about bagging a peak. It's about pushing your limits, connecting with nature in its most raw and spectacular form, and earning a view that few will ever see. It is a journey that challenges the body, inspires the soul, and leaves an indelible mark on all who dare to answer its call.